What's up, people? We're here doing a little vlog real quick. So I've done a few mods, some upgrades. We'll start off with the 295/40 20s in the front, 295/40 in the back. Doesn't rub yet. I mean, I've only driven it maybe 30 miles. And of course I blacked out the back with some vinyl. Changed the badge on it. It's all vinyl. And then the film on the lens on the back. I missed that little piece right here. Right there. I'm gonna get that one tomorrow. Of course the dealer threw in the tint in the windows. Doesn't look bad with the 295/40s in the back. Looks meaty, you know. But and then I wrapped the door handle covers and I put them on. I'm hoping to do the roof tomorrow. Haven't had a chance, so I'm gonna do the roof with the pillars and do a cutout in the back. Kind of like a vinyl top, but in vinyl wrap. So that's a 275/40 in the front. What do y'all think about the stance? I like it. It's I mean, but maybe I think I drove it maybe 25 miles. I think I mean, it's definitely got more grip. Got a better ride. I mean, it's cold as shit, but it looks good. I like it. And that's the Atturo 800 tires. So, I mean, they grip. Did a little burnout earlier. Runs good. But I'm doing the ceramic coating as soon as it warms up a little bit. And then I'll be doing the vinyl top. Well, I'm doing the vinyl top first. And then the ceramic coating on top. So, tell me what you guys think. How this looks blacked out. It's real crazy. That's the stance on it. Different. All right, more vids coming soon. Have a blessed day. Happy New Year's to everybody. Bye.